Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Danelle. I'm a Jamaican living in Switzerland, and in today's farm video I'll be showing you how I feed the calves. So what I'm doing right now is opening the churn, this thing that we store the milk in or transport the milk in for the calves. So the milk has been warmed upstairs using the warmer to about 36 degrees Celsius. And then I bring it to the calves and they each get 4 liters of milk twice per day. Besides that, they graze on a little bit of hay and some palleted feed. It is a shame, but I don't have the exact age for these calves. But looking at them, I think they're about 3 to 4 months. And feeding them is relatively easy because they are used to the NICU. But let's look at feeding Teri-Ann, who at the time of making this video was only 3 days old. There is a huge difference because I have to train her to use the NICU. She has to become familiar with the NICU, and that can take a lot of time and energy. Okay. I know I did some things wrong in this process, so if you're a seasoned dairy farmer and you have some tips for me, I would appreciate it.
I want to make sure that she's drinking good, because there's one calf over there that's not drinking good, and unfortunately they will put her down. Yeah, but I want to see that Teri-Ann is drinking well, and but so far today is day 3. So far she's doing fine. She looks healthy. She's happy when I'm here, so I'm happy about that.
Okay, so guys, at this point I was exhausted, I was tired, I was frustrated, and I decided to go into a wrestle match with the calf. I don't know why she wasn't taking the milk. I don't know why. But yeah, this is me trying stupidly to get her to drink.
Guys, they're cows. They're not real babies. They're babies, but baby cow. So sometimes you have to handle them like rough for them to get the point. Nice, huh? Lekker. So she actually gets her mom's milk. So this is not from some random cow. She gets her mom's milk. And she's 3 days old, so this is rich in colostrum. Come. Finish the full thing. She got like 4 liters. But she has drunk about 2. Come. she wants anymore. She's kind of playing with the little with the nipple. She's done. Good job. At least you drank some. Woo! Oh, back. Lord God. Oi. Good job, Terry. Tell your friends bye. Say bye. 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 3 days old. Oh, big girl. Nobody come kick me. Go on over there, so.